Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ngidon ka jingduna kini ki dokter sekijongi ki bobot. Bat ngitip ba kini ki candidate ki balik pulih na ka Meghalaya kota ki balasain bagabon ki don hang ne ko Shillong. Kan sapoi kapur bangin sajer peteng. We will mention the names later. All those people who have not honored the bond till date. Kitu ki baklam buram ya kabon kabakila depsan. Berkini kabon kadai nadu shpolak kidan kibasan shpolak kidan kibasan absan lang. Nginum lang ban lepat dakumai lada kimwan report hapo jong ni August Upanai August. But nadu September terter ngin permi yaki kerteng di chongki. But nada kim sobaha ban one bat ke government kin siu no ya gabon. Ken mau bahapor ba fisanya gabon piko aban medical ka CPOA. Ke government ka ai sobaha nomor ba file bah ki semen ki chongki ba pio by merit. Takadaw ngi ong one tray bat kasarkar na ni one report bat ni bat fin tray ru by merit. Kublesibo.
Doctor, how many of these doctors?
There are many. I think approximately 50 so far. Tela kidan kitu gibalik puli PG. Those who are studying PG, let them give us the information. But those who are here working in some of the hospitals which you have come to know, we ask them to come and report. If you wish to pay back the bond, this is fine. It is as per the bond. But if you wish to not pay the bond, then you will work with the government and we will give the postings accordingly.